Alright guys, race day is approaching very soon and there's a lot of work we need to get done. But this bike is almost there. I mean, this thing looks so good. It's definitely coming back to the Barracuda days. So basically all we need to do is we need to run the chain, handlebars, throttle, brake, and then like seat. But mostly we need to drive this thing and get some riding practice in before we race this thing. Or really before Jason races this thing. Alright, so we got these pit bike handlebars because we had them on the like Sinclair mini bike and stuff like that. And I really liked how they looked. So now what we need to do is we're just gonna install them like this. This will give it more of an aggressive stance too. Guys, so now that we got the handlebars on, Jason's mocking up the throttle and stuff like that. I just got this torque converter on. I did have to trim a very little bit off the bottom of the plate just because we have some pretty tight clearances here with how we made the frame. We wanted to be really close to the torque converter, but I think it looks really good. We got the gold chain on. I'm actually running that right now. Okay, so a lot more progress was made. We have the Go Power Sports Premium torque converter plate and torque converter all mounted up. Fits in there very nicely. We're really proud of that. We have this gold chain that Go Power Sports sells. It's 420 chain. Looks absolutely amazing. We got really lucky. Our chain's actually perfect. It's well balanced, right? Because there's not that much room to move the engine at all, and the wheel on motovox frames are solid.
So we also got the brake done, which the stock motovox brakes, I mean, we got disc brakes, so this thing seems more promising than the other drums we've used in the past. Okay, so I'm just soldering in the kill switch, and after that the bike's ready to ride, so we're gonna go take it out. We're gonna practice on dirt since that's kind of what the tomb race will be like.
You don't realize how small the bike is until like
tiny.
A grown human gets on it.
Okay.
So
look at my knees.
And then Evan gets it.
Alright, you ready to go? Alright, be careful with the throttle. I don't know what she's gonna do.
That was frightening. Yeah, I think I just wasn't, like it kind of just stays at 1 RPM and it kind of feels like it's petering off, but I stayed on it and it got really fast. Like I can't see anything right now, so I got off of it, but yeah.
I heard you hitting like top of rev range.
Yeah, I got off before it went to top speed. This thing's,
wow.
It's a little much on this dirt road with puddles at night. But in the morning, definitely, yeah, it's pretty solid actually. Yeah. Not really any death wobbles or anything like that, so.
That's cool. Wow. Watch out, Tomb. Wow.
Dang. Yeah, this thing goes really fast. It's really hard to launch. Like, if you give it like a little bit too much throttle, it just kicks up the top. So I'm just really gonna need to practice on that. Otherwise, I mean, it's pretty solid. I don't know, that's about it.
Yeah,
the idle's really high. Like, it's like I'm trying to turn around and it's like trying to like wheelie. I need to tune that.
Okay. Oh.
Alright guys, so we're out here in some undisclosed location that looks like just like apocalyptic atmosphere as far as you can see. It's a pretty cool little spot. Hopefully they don't build any stuff here for a little while because we really like it here. We have this little square. You can't tell on camera, but there's a dip down over there, so we're gonna be on the higher part here. And Jason's just gonna do some laps on the square, do some test launches down the middle here, and we'll see what we can do.
Yep. There we go.
That's pretty quick, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna wrap it up just because it's like not really good conditions to be riding this thing. Jason, what do you think?
I mean, it's really fun, it's really fast. We just need to get this on like a road to open it up and some turns to see how it handles.
Yeah, but I mean, a lot has been going on. We basically completed this whole build in 2 weekends just because we were really rushing to get it into a race. But now we need to do just a little bit more fine tuning and stuff like that. I mean, the bike looks absolutely amazing. Let us know what you think of it in the comments and any recommendations for stuff to make it a little more racier. Would always be cool. So now I'm just gonna cut back to some more footage of driving it at night last night and an outro, stuff like that. But bike is doing good.
Okay, so this build has really come a long way. It's super fast, super fun. We do have a little bit of work to do, but in one more day, we'll definitely have this ready to race. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you Go Power Sports for giving us all the parts that made this build possible. And make sure to tune in next time when we actually take this thing racing at a tomb race.